Hello guys, welcome to barco.com. Today I'll be talking about how you can save money on Kodekloud plans. So this is the official website of Kodekloud, and right now you can see that there is some sale going on, and they're giving out 45% off, but you can save more than that. So go on the pricing section, and let's see what is the current price. Now let's say if I'm going out for the pro plan, so the offer what we are giving is applicable on all the plans including the standard, pro and the business plan. So let's say if we are planning to go for the pro plan, which is for 688 Indian rupees, I go ahead and click on choose, and right now as you can see, after all the taxes, it is about 8,250 rupees. But if I want to get more discount, what I have to do is go on to Google and type in Bargo, bargo.com, and you can find this website bargo.com. Now this is the website, and you'll find all the offers and etc they have for you. And the way it works is you can find the store, and you can locate the store and find the offers that they have. And other than that, you can just type in your brand name. So for example, we are searching for Kodekloud, so I'll go ahead and type in Kodekloud, and the store will appear. Now I have to click on Kodekloud, and I'll find all the offers that they have right now. So they're saying that they have up to 67% off right now, which is we still have 5 days left. So I'll go ahead and click on show code, and now the code will be copied to your clipboard and you'll be redirected to the website. And now I'll be going ahead and click on pricing. Now I'll go ahead and click on choose, and as you can see, the current price was 8,250 rupees, but I'll go here. It says we have a coupon. I'll go ahead and click here and paste the coupon code and click on apply. Now you will see the price modification, and it has reduced down to 6,600 rupees. So I saved about 20% right now. So this is how you save money on Kodekloud plans. This is applicable on all the plans that Kodekloud has. Other than that, you can visit this website and find all the stores that they have, and they offer coupons and discount deals. Thank you so much for watching.